would enjoy my head tapping.
How sad.
Gross.
All here is.
I think I can pick it up. I need a
Why don't you leave it there?
thinner stick.
I think he's probably like, why are they poking these dead birds? Poor bird.
Look how nasty that stick is.
Help! Help!
Oh my gosh. Fucking nasty! Putting a camera on me is fucking disgusting. Lilah, no!
What?
Don't.
It's not that nasty.
Okay, why don't you pick her up and take her down the street? Okay, you know what?
I just want to show it to Jose. Jose, he would like to see this.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Wait, Jose would like to see this.
Oh, what the fuck?
Can you just pick it up with his hand?
Yeah.
I thought you were the one that wanted to touch it, Lilah.
Lois, don't do it, Lois.
Ah!
In your mouth, but she really wants it.
I might die.
Ick.
Let's go.
Ick.
We gotta meet up with Jose.
What the fuck, man?
Hey.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Get away from my iPod!
The only reason why I backed away was because you have my iPod in the hand.
That dead cat. Important to have.
Look at her all freaking out. Dead pigeon, or crow technically. Crow. No, remember? Remember what Kitty looked like when she...
Oh yeah, when Kitty died, she was all fucked up. We had to pick her up with a trash bag and throw her in a box. That was funny.
This thing records for pretty long.
Yeah, I know. It's about, I think like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Take it away. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Taking it to the vet. I'm taking it to the vet.
Can you save him?
No, you can't fucking say we got fucking ran over and kicked at. Lilah tried to touch him like a dozen times.
Nicole's here bitching.
I hate this thing.
Bitching.
Shut up.
How do you save these?
What?
How do you save a video?
You click it in the middle. In the middle.